Hi guys, I hope you're all doing fine, and we just have a few more days until Christmas, right? And I really love Christmas. I love the colors, the scents, and that you get to see family that you don't see that very often. But of course this year will be quite different, so we're going to spend Christmas together with just the closest family. But I do have a little early purple present from Darling Beads, and this is their December box, and I'm curious to see what's inside. See, we have this beautiful purple tissue paper, and as usual the golden bag, organza bag. Let's see what we have. Oh, where is the paper? Oh, there it is. God, I missed it. Oh, I thought it wasn't here. All right, so this one is called Royals, and we have 19 items in the box, and it's, well, here you can see. All right, we go through them one by one. Let's see what it is. Okay, I see a lot of purples and gold and something. Oh, what is this? Isn't this, I don't know, agate of some kind? Oh, and some tassels. All right, let's go through it. As usual, I'm going to organize it and get back. So let's get started. Bag number 1 is here, and this is a 40 centimeter strand of 6 millimeter frosted glass rounds in medium violet. And this is a long strand. Look at it. It's really long. I think they're nice. I kind of like frosted beads. And purple is always one of my favorites. I think it looks a little bit, like luxurious and very nice. Good. And that it was so long was great too. Bag number 2 we have here is a 20 centimeter strand of 8 millimeter natural dyed yellow jade gemstone beads in purple. Well, then it isn't yellow, so it's purple. Look at this. I think these are very nice. They have, I don't know if you can see that, but they have like little marbling effect on them too. So nice. Okay, bag number 3 is 50 pieces 4 millimeter faceted glass bicones in the color Old Rose. These are nice. See, I think they look a little bit darker in the camera than they do in real life, but they're nice. Very nice. Okay, so bag number 4 we have here. This is 22 pieces 5 by 12 millimeter side drilled check glass daggers in matte gold. Oh my god, it was a long name. These are cool. I think these daggers are nice. I like daggers. See, it's a very nice golden color. I think maybe in the camera they look a little bit green, but they are not green. They are very nice golden color in matte, of course. Oop. All right, and bag number 5 is this is 18 centimeter strand 6 millimeter natural banded agate in purple. Ooh, these were nice. Look at these. Oh, these are very nice. Oh, I think they're cool, these banded agate beads. See, a lot of nice colors. Okay, It's like a little S here. All right, can be over here. There. And then we have bag number 6. This is 26 centimeter strand of 7 by 5 millimeter faceted glass teardrop beads in black. These were nice. Cool. Look at these. Aren't they nice? Oh, look at this then. Oof. These are nice. Cool. Jet black and a very good size, I must say. I like that. Okay. And bag number 7 is, what is this? 22 centimeter strand of 6 by 6. No, it's not. This is there. 22 centimeter strand of 4 by 3 millimeter pearl luster plated faceted rondelles in clear AB. Very sparkly. I think this is also a good size rondelle, right? Cool. Put them here so we can see them. Okay, you can almost not see them, all right? Then we have bag number 8. And this is, what is this? These are bugle beads. Bag number 8. This is 10 grams of 6 millimeter bugle beads in silver lined goldenrod. I like goldenrod because it isn't really, you know, sparkly gold. These are cool. I wonder what I can do with them. I hope I can come up with something because they are very pretty, in my opinion. Oh, I didn't take out all of them because it's going to be like a mountain of bugles here. If I did. Okay, like that. And then we have bag number 9. This is 22 pieces of 6 by 6 millimeter glass cubes in goldenrod. These are nice. Look at them. Aren't they cute? And of course I like the color a lot too. Cubes, I think they're hard to work with. It's going to be a challenge with these. Now I took all of them out and that was maybe a little bit stupid, but okay. And then we have, okay, number 10. This is a 19.5 millimeter centimeter, must be a centimeter strand, yeah, of 6 millimeter natural crazy lace agate in white. I think they're more gray than white, but look at these. Crazy lace is cool. It's easier to see the lacy effect sort of when the beads are bigger or chunkier. These are so nice. Look, these are very, very nice. There, and this was all for the bead section. Then we move on to the finding section. We have bag number 11, and in here we find 30 pieces of 8 millimeter golden flower bead caps. Golden flower bead caps, yes. These are nice too. Let's see if I can put them on this side. See? Nice, nice. Golden flower bead caps. Let's put them here. We want to see them. All right. Then we have bag number 12 here. This is the clasps. We have 2 pieces of golden toggle clasp. No more explanation needed, I guess. There are 2 round clasps. One which is a little, you know, textured around here, and one that has 3 little circles with a dot in. You see? As I've said before, I really like the small toggles because they don't eat up so much of the, you know, of the project that you're working on. So I like them. Okay, bag number 13. We have, what do we have in here? We have 1 meter of 4x3 millimeter golden color textured cable chain. Wow, this is nice. Look at that. See the texture? It's like little squiggly on the sides here. See? It's very hard to see, yeah. So it looks a little bit more, you know, alive, maybe. Okay, I think that's cute. That's a good chain. Bag number 14. Oh, we have bales. That's nice. These are bales or hanger links. 2 pieces, 9x7 millimeter in gold, and 2 pieces 12x9 millimeter in light golden color. Okay, so let's see. These are absolutely the gold. And these 2 here must be the light gold because they are very light gold. But that could be nice too. See? Bales are nice. You rarely get that in these subscription boxes, but I think that was a cool thing. Bag number 15. Oh, what is this? What is this? This is 1 meter 5x2 millimeter golden roller chain. Oh my god. Look at this. It's like a fat gold chain. See? Fit for the royalty. Cool. This is like a like a hip hop chain. No, not really. Okay, but this is cool. You can make some fun stuff with this. I like it. It was a fun thing to put in the box. I have to put it over here, otherwise we have no place. No, I want to have it over here. Now these bales look almost silver compared to this super golden chain. All right, and then we have bag number 16. Here we have 20 pieces 6 millimeter golden tone crystal rhinestone spacers. I didn't know they were called this. I like these. These are so nice when you put them in between beads, you know? Very nice. Rhinestone spacers. I didn't know that. Can have them on the side so you can see. All right. Well, you understand. Nice. Okay, put them here. And then we have bag number 17. It's this one. Looks like, yeah, it's daisy spacers. 30 pieces 6 millimeter golden daisy spacer. These are cute. Oh, I've always liked the daisies. I think they are cute in between beads. You just see the little dots on top there. Cool. How many were there? 30 pieces. Nice. It's like so bright down here. It's really golden bright. Okay, bag number 18. What is this? This is 5 pieces 15x13 millimeter crown chandeliers. What is that? Aha, okay, cool. These are, they have a hole up here, and they have 1, 2, 3 holes that you can hang something from. These are nice. It's a cute little size too. It's not big and chunky, but they're very petite, sort of, and very, very golden. I see in the camera that they are kind of golden green, but it's not golden green. They are gold. Something wrong with my lights, as usual. Okay, and then the last bag, bag number 19, is 2 pieces 17x14 millimeter 4 fur ball charms in purple, and 2 pieces cloth tassels in cream. Cool. Oh, these are so cute. Look at these. Like a little ball of purple fur. Very nice. And this beautiful flower tassel. Look at this. Oh, they are so nice. I usually don't work a lot with tassels, but I think these could be cool earrings, and these could be like the endings of a lariat or something, you know, to hang on different heights or lengths or whatever. I think these are very nice. I'm so happy. I like these a lot. Let's put them somewhere here. You can see them there like that. Okay, that was it for this bag, but I like it. I think it was really nice with all the golden colors and the purples and everything. I really like that. And I saw in the comments section of one of the boxes that I made a review from of that some people didn't like the thought that the amount of findings were too much, but I don't think so. I think it's great because I don't have that many findings, metal parts and stuff, and chain is always super great to get, and you know, I don't think everybody's got so much. I don't, so I'm happy as long as they keep sending that. Well, I think this was a really nice box, and I love the purples and the gold and everything, and I hope you also liked this video. And if you like to subscribe to these boxes, I will leave a link below for you to check out. And I would also like to wish you a Merry Christmas. It's just a few days away. All right, take care now, everybody, and bye.